Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to calibrate motion controls of a controller on the Nintendo Switch 2. To calibrate the Joy-Con motion sensors, go to the settings, then go to controllers and accessories. Now, as you scroll down, at some point you'll find calibrate motion controls. You can select either console or controllers. I'm gonna calibrate the controllers. Now they have to be detached. So click on this button to detach them if they are currently attached. Then hold on either plus or minus depending on which Joy-Con you want to calibrate. Now place it flat on a stable surface with the control stick up. I've placed it now. Let's wait a moment. Let's click on OK now. If you want, you can also calibrate the other controller by pressing and holding on the plus or minus. Let's press and hold again because it was disconnected. Now I'm gonna place it on a stable flat surface. Wait a moment until it stops wiggling, and now I can click on OK. If you want to calibrate your console, simply click on Calibrate Console. Now place it on a stable surface with the screen facing up and click on OK. Now the calibration is completed. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.